Welcome back to the Hydrogen Technology World Expo here in Hamburg. I'm Keith Maynard on behalf of the Hydrogen Standard, and I'm here with Xavier Lambot from Cofinair. Xavier, it's lovely to meet you. Could you tell us a little bit about Cofinair and the solutions that you're providing for the hydrogen landscape?
Nice to meet you, Keith. So first of all, Cofinair is a European group. We are a cooling solution provider, and we are European. We are the leader European, and we have 4 factories. So we have 2 factories in France, 1 in Germany, and 1 in Italy. So we are main focused on industrial activity. So we produce cooling tower. We have open cooling towers, closed cooling towers, adiabatic part coolers, which are very useful for H2 industry. We work mainly on green hydrogen industry, and we have some specific equipment that we develop, but we will discuss of it after, if you want.
So what are the main advantages for your partners that decide to come and do business with you?
So we are very close to our partner because we try to be at the very beginning of project. So we are with our engineering clients. We define some solution. On different project, solutions are different because they are focused on OPEX or CAPEX. We need to develop some specific acoustic equipment or to have the better equipment in terms of water and electrical consumption.
So I believe that you offer both off-the-shelf products and you also work to create bespoke products. Could you give us an example of this?
Correct. We have standard units, but we have the ability to adapt our production to our customer needs. We for example, we develop some DIC units for air carbon capture.
How long does that process tend to take, and how important is communication with your partners during that process?
Well, it depends on which project, but for sure, for a huge project in hydrogen, it takes sometimes 6 to 1 year or more. It's really depending on which project we are and which are our client requirements.
So I believe that you're always innovating at Cofinair. Could you tell us about any exciting launches that may be happening in the next 12 months?
Yes, we have a R&D department which develop new technologies. So, for example, we have a new crossflow unit, which is a unit for high capacity, so for huge project. We improve our adiabatic coolers each year with specific option like monitoring, recycling water system, total access. We use for our product mainly stainless steel to have a better long life for our equipment. And we have many options which can be adapted according to our client's requirements.
So tell me, for people that are watching this, that are thinking maybe they want to partner with Cofinair, what would your key message and encouragement be to them?
We have the widest range of cooling solution and with very low electrical and water consumption. So we can adapt our range to, let's say, all kind of requirements in terms of hydrogen project.
Thank you very much indeed. So yeah, you heard it. If you need a cooling solution that could be tailored to your specific needs, then maybe consider Cofinair moving forward, because they're certainly well positioned to help you grow, expand and develop.